Hello, lettering friends. I'm Sarah from Ensign Insights. Every once in a while, I get asked if I can show the whole alphabet. So in this video, I'm going to do just that, focusing on the uppercase alphabet. I'm using Crayola markers, the super tips, and broadline. If you've never done lettering with Crayola markers, you should definitely try it and see what you think. They work great, even though they're not actual brush pens. The super tips are smaller and the broadlines are larger. I liked broadline when I was starting out, but grew to love super tips as well. I am heavier handed, so I liked being able to push hard. I know there are some who may be lighter handed who don't like them as much, so you have to find what works for you. And I've left these in real-time speed so you can see how slow I'm actually going. Okay, as for the uppercase alphabet, I would love to hear from you. Which uppercase letter do you struggle with the most? I know the uppercase alphabet can be so tricky. When I first started, I avoided doing the uppercase letters, and now there are times still I don't like uppercase, but I know it doesn't help to avoid them. So what helps is having a super basic style to be able to use. It doesn't have to be anything fancy. You are welcome to practice this alphabet you see here. I've kept it very basic. One thing that I wouldn't recommend that I did when I first started was using a print style uppercase letter with my script word. That could be a stylized look if that's what you're going for, but that's not what I was going for. I just thought some uppercase letters looked so weird and I didn't know how to connect them to the next letter in my word. You actually don't have to connect your uppercase letter to the next letter. That really helped take the pressure off when I learned that. Some letters connect pretty naturally and some don't. If there is a certain uppercase letter you don't like, you may want to spend some time trying different styles of that letter until you find one you do like. All you need is one way that you like, and you can use it over and over. I also wanted to show you a print style uppercase font. So after you see me lettering on these worksheets with Crayola broadline, I will show you a print style uppercase font because it looks really nice in a lettering piece to have a print style stand out against a script style. That's a great way to emphasize a certain word. And with that, I will leave you with these real-time lettering videos. I hope this video helps you feel a little more comfortable with uppercase letters. Let me know if you'd like to see the lowercase alphabet this way, or if you'd like to see it using different pens or maybe a different font style. Thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate you being here and subscribing to my channel. I will see you next time.